Thumbnail design is one of the most important something on YouTube. If you created an amazing thumbnail that can make you get more views and it can take your channel up, most of us need to learn how to create best thumbnail you can do, but it may be hard for beginners. Hi, I'm Silok Edit. Today in this video I will show you how to do an amazing thumbnail step by step like this. With phone only. Yes. Just you need phone to do this. Before we start, click on like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos. First of all, you need to download 4 apps. Abyss Bentex, Pixel Lab, PS Touch, Lightroom. I will put this app links in description. First of all, you will open Abyss Bent app. Then choose my gallery. Create new project from here. Then choose the setting for thumbnail image. After that, click on layers and choose this camera to add any image you want. This is the first image, this is the second image, and this is the last image. After that, choose this eraser to remove this part. You will find all these images in my Telegram channel, the link on description or in the pinned comment. Let's go to the next step. Click on layers and choose the first layer, then choose FX, click on adjust color, then choose mono color and make it white. Click on layers, add new layer from here, then make it from normal to overlay. Then click on colors and choose this color. Click on brush and choose the first brush. After that you will draw like this. Click on layers and choose this layer, click on FX, choose mono color, then change color to blue. Click on layers and choose the character and click here and click on select object. Then add new layer, make it under character, then click on brush and draw under the character like this. Then click on remove selection area. Choose this layer and click on FX. Go to style and choose this effect, stroke outer. After that you will choose this color and this is the setting you will do. Click on brush and click on FX, click on blur, Gaussian blur and make it 4. Click on brush and choose this eraser, airbrush 60%. After that you will remove these parts. Then click on layers and add new layer and make it clipping and change it from normal to add. Then you will just draw like this to change color to purple. Click on layers and add new layer and change it from normal to add. Then click on brush and choose this brush, airbrush 60%. After that you will put the light under the character. After that, add new layer and click on clipping. Now we will draw the light on the face of character. First, choose this color and change it from normal to add. Then draw over the character like this. After that, click on FX, Gaussian blur, and make it full. 1 time, 2 times, and 3 times. You will do the same thing with this layer. Click on FX, Gaussian blur, 3 times blur. After that, you will add this image or any image you want. Then you will transform it in any place you want. If you are interested in this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on notification for more videos. After that, click on FX, go to Style, Stroke Outer, then choose the white color and do this setting. If you want to save this image, you will click here and click on Save as PNG. The second app you will open is Pixel Lab. First, you will click on this 3 points, image size, and choose YouTube thumbnail. Then go to this A later, click on font and choose this font. You will find this font in my Telegram channel. Then click on layers and click here and duplicate layer. Double click to edit and write anything you want. After that, click here and choose this button. Then to save image, click here, save as image, change it from custom to ultra, then save to gallery. This is the Pixel Lab app. After Lightroom, this is the result. You will find Lightroom filter in my Telegram channel. Before you exit, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on notification for more videos. In addition, follow me on Instagram and join my Telegram channel. All links in description or in the pinned comment. That's everything. See you in the next video. Bye.